A new little adventure is about to begin. Introducing the Kidsmate Teddy Musical Tricycle, designed for fun, comfort, and little adventures. And before the adventure begins, let's take a look at what's inside the box. As the box opens, each component is neatly packed and protected. First, we have the handlebar, followed by the seat and Teddy tricycle body. Next comes the front wheel assembly, along with the two AAA batteries and user manual. Before we begin the installation, let's take a moment to see all the components together. Now, let's bring the Teddy tricycle to life. Start by unfolding the main body from its compact position. Release the folding mechanism and open the frame into its riding position. Next, let's attach the front wheel assembly. Align it with the opening on the Teddy body and slide it into position. Make sure it is properly aligned and securely fitted. Now, let's prepare the handlebar. Insert the required batteries and securely close the battery compartment. Align the handlebar stem with the mounting point on top of the Teddy head. Then secure it with the provided bolt. Tighten it firmly to keep the handlebar securely in place. Next, it's time to attach the seat. Remove the bolt from the underside of the seat. Then align the seat with the mounting holes on the tricycle frame. Place the seat in position and slide it backward until the holes are aligned. Turn the tricycle over and locate the bolt hole underneath the frame. Insert the bolt and tighten it securely. The seat is now firmly locked in place. And that's it. The Kidsmate Teddy Musical Tricycle is ready for the ride. Now, let's take a closer look at the features of the Kidsmate Teddy Musical Tricycle. The tricycle comes with a musical handlebar, featuring a bright front light and fun sound effects for an engaging ride. The handlebar is powered by two AAA batteries and includes easy-to-use controls for little riders. The Teddy-inspired design gives the tricycle a fun and playful look, while the comfortable seat provides a comfortable riding experience. The front pedal system makes riding easy and enjoyable, with sturdy wheels designed for everyday play. And with its easy fold design, the tricycle can be folded conveniently for storage and handling. Overall, the Kidsmate Teddy Musical Tricycle combines fun, functionality, and a playful design, making every little ride more exciting.